Keisha, a librarian from the National Library Board. I was just reading a book titled Cool Healthy Muffins by Alex Kuskowski. Do you know that muffins can be a healthy snack? These muffins are healthy as they are low in sugar and packed with nutrients for the body. They also taste good, fill you up, and are easy to make. Today, I will be sharing with you a simple banana muffin recipe that you can do during the holidays. Before you start, remember to wash your hands and ask an adult to supervise while you use the kitchen tools. If you have any food allergies, please get your parent or guardian to advise on the ingredients to substitute. Are you ready? Let's go!
Here are the ingredients that you will need. 3 ripe medium-sized bananas, half cup of milk. If you do not have a measuring cup, you can also use a standard size mug to measure. 1 cup of quick oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey. Ripe bananas are already sweet, therefore you will only need 2 tablespoons. For toppings, you can use chocolate chips, raisins, or dried cranberries. You will also need the following items: a blender, a muffin tray, muffin cases, a spoon, oven, and a pair of oven gloves. Before you start, please get an adult to help preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. This allows the oven to heat up slowly to reach the correct baking temperature for our muffins later. Let's begin. First, add all the ingredients into the blender. 3 ripe medium-sized bananas, half cup of milk, 1 cup of quick oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey. Then, blend until the mixture is smooth. Get an adult to supervise while you operate the blender. Next, line the muffin tray with muffin cases. You can use cupcake cases too. Once this is done, slowly spoon the blended mixture into the cases. As the muffins will rise as they bake in the oven, you will only need to fill up to 3/4 of each muffin case. At this point, you can add a variety of toppings on your muffin. Today, I will be adding chocolate chips. It's time to bake our muffins. Place the muffin tray into the oven and close the door gently. Check that the temperature is at 180 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for 20 minutes. The oven is hot, so be sure to get an adult to help you.
There you have it, banana muffins. Remember to let it cool down before you dig in.
For more baking recipes that you can do at home, check out these books. The first book is Super Simple Healthy Cookies by Alex Kuskowski. Do you enjoy eating chocolate chip cookies? Why not try the healthier version found in this book and enjoy them with the whole family? The second book is an ebook titled The Ultimate Kids Baking Book by Tiffany Dahl. Be the head baker at home and amaze family and friends with all the wonderful bakes for every celebration. Create your own dessert with unique decorations.
I hope you enjoyed today's baking session. Till next time, bye!